Good morning. Padayon lang kita sa aton um, video support for physics for engineers. Topic is oscillations and waves. Di kita number 11. 2 kilogram frictionless blocks attached to an ideal spring. So may dali mo block ada spring. So ito nga spring may dali force constant nga 300 Newton per meter. Ano ito K. Okay, and then nagkimiyang instance at t equal to 0, meaning at 0 time the spring is neither stretched nor compressed and the block is moving in the negative direction. So bagat yan sige nan oscillate, tapos pag abot lahan iya equilibrium o kundi niya nagtikang nga waray kuan ginset nga to ang t equal to 0 ang literal signal sige na talaga tiyahin oscillate. Okay, ang ito t 0, the spring is na ito nasa rin niya nga the block is moving to the negative, to the left, baga to the left, kaya natin usually drawing to the right and positive, to the left and negative, so going to the left. So and then the question is find the amplitude and the phase angle, write an equation for the position as a function of time. So a and b lang kita ay anyway di man magawa sa quiz. Anyway equation man lang sa position of time, meaning ano ito x position, ani mo x, ani mo distance ti kangan ang stretch nga lugar. So ano mga equation luwat, I think we only have to ini important equation din because it's talking about x. Usa nga pakyana is an imo amplitude. Now kung dili nga side hindi ka makakakuha ng amplitude ini because at x equal to 0 zerohon ta ini, wala kita amplitude, tapos unknown ka phase angle, so basically di ka makakakuha phase angle nga di. Pero x is okay dili nga bagan pwede, pero bagan may dapahi ikaduha nga way. Kaya I think the first one, sige unahon ko ana itong phase angle tapos i-recheck ko niyan. I could get the phase angle here because x is equal to 0. Meaning, kung x is equal to 0, anything you divide it, di kita maaramit amplitude din pero kung i-divide mo a diviya x, magiging 0 gihapon. So, at time is equal to 0. Nagsaring kasi at time is equal to 0. Sige sabihin, tapos, x is uncompressed or unstretched. So, 0 gihap ini niya. Ini, na x. T is equal to 0, x is equal to 0. So, therefore, ini nga hindi divide mo 0 makakakuha kahin 0 lagi hapon because anything you divide with 0 is 0. So kaya lang may dani mo cosine pag kita ko na lang kita net logic dani kasi may mga butang masuro simple resolvon ta kong pen. So bagat yan nasa ring, you have your x, equal to a cosine omega t plus phase shift. So basically ini kasi t is equal to 0, so masir ini adi kung x is equal to 0, ma-divide kan x all over a is cosine tapos phi. Kita niyo ini nga x is equal to 0, since x is equal to 0, 0 all over a is still 0, and that would be or r cosine phi. So may kita r cosine of phi, the phase angle would be r cosine of 0, which is actually 90 degrees in degrees, pero in radian r cosine is pi over 2, diba? So the phase angle is pi over 2 or 1.57, pi all over 2 or 1.57 1.5701, that is radian. Kung radian, sorry, in radian ata answer basta mga angle. So actually, I could get that. And actually, pwede ko i-double check kung makuha ko ng A. Pero dapat at different instance, ano. Kama zero lang yapon. But anyway, I think we need an equation of V. It may V la din ini. Anyway, kutub din naman ang topic, energy in simple harmonic motion. Ini nga V. So, 1 half mv squared, adit aton i-equal. Ini nga V nga nin kinetic niya, ano mo, potential pa nga energy gin plus, which is equal to 1 half k squared. Itong equation. So, you have 1 half mv squared plus 1 half kx squared is equal to 1 half ka squared. So, dinhi, when x is equal to 0, so 0 talaga ini. Sabi-sabihon, kinetic kala. Kumbaga, potential, wara ito din ang side. And then, you have 1 half, that is m, may mo mass. May mo mass, that is a 200 kilogram. And then you have V. The velocity is negative ini. Negative. (12 meters per second). So, that would be a 12 meters per second negative, pero kayo naka-squared man. So, that would be a 12 meters per second squared, tapos equal to 1 half, tapos K. K is 300 Newton per meter. And then you have your A squared. So, mako-compute mo talaga. Ini magawas nga kilogram, 0.5 times 200 times 12 squared. That will give us 14,400. The 14,400 unit would be kilogram meter per second squared meter. So, yung bulag ko na din meter squared na dito. Kaya para ini maging Newton, tapos di maging meter. So, that's really energy. Didi 1 half times 300, that would be 150. 150 Newton per meter. Tapos A squared. So, makakancel iniya because this is Newton na di. Tapos, you have now A squared is equal to divided by 150. So, that would give us 96. 96 meter squared. Diba? Maka-times nga di. So, A now would be the square root of 8. That would be the square root of answer. That would be 9.79. So, pwede 9.80. And the answer would be 9.80 meters. The amplitude. Okay? 9.80 meters. So, pwede take double check ita ka. By the ba, pwede. Double check. Amplitude is wala naman ibang equation amplitude. Malibang ko naghatag ngayon ibang instance. Sorry na, no? Gamit ta na yun. So, I think right na. Ang natin nila is write an equation for the position as a function of time. So, that would be x. Answer line na. Sige, answer na lang. Masahin mo na ito, That would be x is equal to 9.80 meters. Tapos, cosine as a position of write in its position as a function of time. Naton omega. Kukuha ang tapat omega. Omega di. We could use the omega. W is the square root of k all over m. Tapos time plus phase angle, which is pi all over 2. So, lang the proper. Anyway, substitute ta. That would be a 9.80 meters cosine square root of k, square root of k is 200 and yeah, k force 300, sorry, 300 kilogram meters per second squared all over Newton per meter. Again, bulag ko kay para makancel ko kilogram. Then you have a 200 kilogram. Cancel. Kilogram, Newton per meter. So meter squared. Tapos time plus pi all over 2. So 9.80 square root of 300 all over 200. So that will give me 1.22 per second squared t. Second na lang. Square root. So, tanggal din na per second. Kaya of course, may time ka dito, time second, so may radian t plus pi all over 2. So, I guess this is your function with respect to time. Your position as a function of time. So, ngatanan mo yung mga number. Okay, so this is letter A, letter D, and this is letter C. Okay? May lang correction. I think what I butang is 200. So that should be a 2 kilo. So kung 2 kilo, that would be, duwala ka significant figure. Ini magiging 144. Diba? 144 divided by 150, that would be 0.96. So square root ito niya, that is 0.98. Square root of 0.96, square root of 0.96. So that is 0.98. So 0.98 lagi. 0.980 meters. Okay? Di waray na. Diretso malapit because that is just region. Thank you guys.